Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. A wonderful day to you all. God bless you guys for really staying locked to Wendy's Styles. I just want you guys please check out those beautiful very short haircuts that are lovely. You know, for those women that really want to rock that very short hair, that want to look good with their natural hair. Today when the styles we have those beautiful short haircuts that will really suit your style. And you know there's never been a better time really for you to rock your natural hair. I would just want you guys to really keep up with the latest trends like a natural hairstyles for beautiful black women. And you know these awesome videos I've selected for you guys will really find your next favorite hairstyle here. So whether your natural hair is long or you have the thick hair or you have the thin hair, this haircut today is for everyone to try. Take a good look on this hair. You can see it's really perfect for those who really want to show off their texture and who want that eye-catchy haircut. I really love this long slant, like from the front to the back. Sometimes you need to turn things around, sometimes you need to look different from the way it is. Sometimes you just need to go for those bold short hairstyles that are low maintenance and that will always allow you to enjoy your style while still keeping your hair healthy. I really love this haircut, man. It's just really something I know, and I know people like Joy Duncan, you know, they will really love this kind of hairstyle. And sometimes, you know, when you have this very low cut hair, you don't know what to do with it. Like, take a good look on this net coil. You can sometimes use the sponge for achieve this beautiful coils. And you can see how they have to use the edges, you know, to really make the front look sleek and look different from what it has always been. And sometimes it's good to try some other styles. Like, look at this tapper. I just love this wine color, you know, that is added to it. Sometimes for you to achieve this beautiful tapper, it's always making the two sides, you know, shorter and making the middle to be longer. It will always give your face that beauty and confidence. And this kind of hairstyle, see how it really accentuates her face shape, it accentuates her cheekbone and make her look good. And one thing with this style, it suits all skin complexion, whether you have the light or the dark skin. This kind of hairstyle will suit your style, whether the color, because one thing with this color is that it's unique, it's matured, and it's classy for every beautiful black women. And I also want you guys to also see the style. One thing about the style is to really make you look fresh and young. And this kind of hairstyle on the screen, you can see with a touch of brown, you can see it always make you vibrant, like take many years off your age. Definitely this kind of hair can take about 20 years off your age. And one thing with this style is always show off your natural beauty. Take a good look on this hair. You can see how inspired. Like, if you really want to go for that big chop, this is another kind of style for you to go, because this enjoyable and striking hairstyle always will make you to really want to look sexy, will always want to make eye stand whenever you are out there in the public. And the style, you can see, is always unique, and it's a kind of style that will let you put your personality into style. And one thing with this style is that it's great for those who really want to stand out and show out their uniqueness. So if you really want to show that uniqueness, you want to show how stylish you are, you really want to look fashionable out there, I would like you guys to just look at this particular next video that is coming up. And this is another style definitely that we that is versatile. And apart from being versatile, is another flawless haircut that will always make you to look perfect. And it's that kind of great wash and go style plus a protective method to always attain those outstanding coils daily. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and please stay look to Wendy's Styles because more beautiful videos are still coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not feel what is hard for you to do. It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.